Alright, so we're off to a good start. They're the right ones. Alright, fucking fatty's trying to get under the fucking car again. Alrighty. Oh, where are we? Oh, excuse you. Oxygen sensor. This cunt's gonna be... Is this even the right one? This cunt is not gonna fucking play ball. Oh shit! I cannot believe, I shit you not, I have not been here and fucking got to that earlier. That was, well, that must mean that the fucking other side's gonna be an absolute cunt, because that was too easy. One-handed. One-handed, ladies. I could do the bra one-handed. Filthy old man. Filthy old man. How the fuck? I had this the other day. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, look at that. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Alright, hang on. I've got to slide my fat fucking ass the other side. Hang on. Now, just a bit of fucking trivia for you fucks. Oh, fatty, fat. Okay, hang on. Get under here. Usually I've got music playing while I do this kind of stuff. But... copyright and fucking all that shit. Oh, okay, hang on. Hopefully this is still getting it. Might have to do the thump. Oh, fuck. There we go, look at that. I don't know if they got it all. I put the phone on the ground, but anyway. So where's this fucking little biscuit? Biscuit. Oh, it's fucking up there. How does fat hand fucking Harry get to that? Oh, no, fuck me. You'd think it would fucking come down so you can get a fucking hand on it. What is this? Shit. Hang on, this might have two hands here. Get out of it, you mug. There we go. Fucking interruptions. Well, I can already probably tell you that these probably won't make a difference and won't be the fucking problem. You know why? It's mechanics law. Look at that. Fuck me. Mechanics law, mate. Mechanics law. Because they were too easy to come out. So that means that the fuckery, the fucking is to come. So now that these are out, one's obviously been replaced before, different brand, whatever. What the fuck is this? That's somewhat standard or whatever. That's the Bosch one. And there's this fucking looking one. Look how black those fucks are. They meant to be that black? That's rich as fuck. Any hoots? Part 79 of Fatty trying to fucking get under this car. Okay. Oh God. Put one fucking sensor down. The amazing way things get caught. Alright, there we go. New one going in. Yes, it has the anti-seize shit on it. Go in, you cunt. Hey, random question. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, random question. Did any of you motherfuckers watch Mr. Squiggle when you were a kid? I think it was mainly just an Australian thing. And if you did, right, wasn't Blackboard a miserable fucking cunt? Wasn't he? He was a miserable fucking bastard, Blackboard. Another random. For anyone that liked Sooty, who was your favourite? Mine was Sweep. He was awesome. Just a bit of randomness there for you fucks. Yeah, that's talked. That's a fucking one. Oh, fuck me. One more, because OCD's a cunt. OCD makes you break things too a lot, you know. Check it one more time, tighten it one more time. Oh shit, now I've broken the fucking thing. Alright, that's fucking tight. And hang on, I'm gonna have to change hands here. Oh shit, fucking zooming in. My god. I'm no good at filming while I'm working. Hang on, let me move over here so I can get a bit of leverage. Oh, now that's fucking tight. That's fucking tight, cunt. Alright, now, we just gotta plug them in. Hang on. Oh, fuck. Alright, there we go. It's a fucking long lead. I don't know if I put the phone in the right position for you guys to see anything, but, well, just have to fucking deal with it. Deal with it. Oh, people that have, right, big hands should not work on cars. Because it's a fucking shit show. Oh, come on. Come on. Is that it? Oh, hear the clicky clacky. Okay. So fucking put that up in there. Fuck off, cunt. Now this one, you know, hang on, we're gonna have to move this fucking shit over here. I don't know if you can see that. Bad fucking stiff titty bags. Fuck, I like titties. Who doesn't like titties though, eh? Oh yeah, there we go. Little plug. Bit easier to get to. Oh, look at that. That was fucking easy. Pop that up in there. Fuck yeah. Yes. Yes. And there you go. Yeah, I think that's it.